back, multiple schools in Delhi have received threat calls today. What is now being said, there is panic across the city with multiple schools that is now including DPS Dwarka, there is Sarvodaya Vidyalaya, and police teams along with bomb disposal squads have been rushed to the schools, and students and staff were safely evacuated as precautionary measures. Let's get in a word from Priyank now. Priyank, this menace continues, but today being a Saturday, are schools even open today as we are looking at these multiple schools in Delhi that have received these bomb threats?
Certainly, Amita, another morning where the Delhiites had to feel this kind of panic while their children and wards were going to the school, where the school have sent a message to the parents regarding a possible bomb threat message which has been received by them. What is very important that all the schools are holding exams as for this moment, and while on Saturday the schools were open for the exam itself. Amidst that, another bomb threat which has been received by the school is considered as a major, panic alarm for the residents in the national capital. Students have come back to their home and the SOP is being followed, but nothing suspicious has been found from the school. This is what authorities have been saying. But time and again, these kind of VPNs used emails which have been used by these senders is coming as a bigger menace for the Delhi police as a law enforcing agency, because whenever they try to trace the email, it is certainly bouncing from one country to another country. So it's difficult for them to track the sender of these emails. In this particular case, we are yet to get official versions from the Delhi police. Let's see what exactly was the content of this email.
All right. This seems to be the series as far as when it comes to this menace that continues, even on a Saturday that we are looking at. But were schools actually open, Priyank? Because what are we looking at? Threat calls or threat emails being received by these schools?
Yes, Amita. On Saturdays, the schools were open, like in DPS Dwarka. There was a message which has been sent from DPS Dwarka regarding the exams being postponed because of unavoidable circumstances. What we sensed that it was a threat email because which led to making of SOS call to the fire department and all the emergency response team. But these threat emails being sent on Saturday when the schools are holding exam certainly gives an indication that someone who is from national capital itself was aware that the schools were conducting exams on Saturday, could have been behind this. So this is a new thing which can be highlighted, but
the examination of many students that have now been affected because of these threat mails that continue to come in. Bomb disposal squad police are said to be where this said protocol is being followed, but more or less it is becoming a menace that has been growing, where several schools in the national capital again have reported bomb threats. For the moment, thank you very much, Priyank, for joining us here on the broadcast.